Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Well. Bless and love, guys. Bless and love. Oh, outfit. Yes, guys. Anyway, thing goes. So, I'm literally here in Seaview Garden. You know, we're gonna pick up some water. You know, from outfit to help out with the care packages for Westmoreland. You know. Yeah. For Westmoreland. Here's outfit. Outfit, yeah.
As I jump out, the rain starts.
Yeah. Guys, it's been some rain as well too, man. It's been raining as well. I'm out here to pick up some water from outfit. And then I will be out of here. Yeah, so sorry about that. Alright, after the period. Let's make some space. How much water? How much water is rain? So guys, we're here with outfit, yet. Yeah. Guys, I use outfit. So when you say outfit, you know the thing was never cold feet.
You know it, yeah, the key in life in Jamaica. See that? They say tell me scoop them, I gotta take up 4 from this and leave it.
Okay, so from Telbert as well. So guys, so you have some water donated by outfit to help out with the movements done by Westmoreland. Good job, let me in fast, because if rain will come.
Rain will
mate.
Next to them, about here, come for them weekend.
Yeah.
You can't get them before you move out,
Yeah. Alright, so the rain's here. The rain is coming down. The rain is coming. Wanna leak?
No,
water.
Water.
We're gonna come up and eat it.
So these ones from your brother, right? Telbert himself, like that?
No, more than that one. No.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going down there. Last week, so I'm going down there again.
Okay.
Yeah?
And over there, after we're done watching sitting up on the TV, and over there, we say, and tell Bert, I say, oh, Bert, get some water, go down, so. I think I mentioned that I would tell them to do that.
Yeah.
Then a week, another run, a dozen.
Sweet.
Start to sell day one. See me, I still have phone, I want to tell them all the rest of them, I say, we're going to sell down there, isn't it? You done now?
Alright.
Close it down. Close it down and feet.
See I bust the artist them up at Kingston night, man.
Yeah. Hot feet.
Remember so we started?
Them say Jamaica good life.
Jamaica good life,
And
man.
a
Keen
good
life
life.
in Jamaica.
Yeah, from them
Remember
days.
say a big yard and a cool
cool
life.
life.
So still in a Jamaica with us. You know it got keen life in Jamaica.
I will give thanks. I will thank
Give
you so
thanks,
much,
you
brother.
know?
Yeah, well, thank you.
Holy
Say,
blessing to the people.
coming from far, it's a far away, you know. I will give thanks to that.
I said start, you know.
Yeah, right in the yard right here, sir.
Right, I said start.
The first video, when after cut up the breadfruit, you know, the yellow heart breadfruit. Remember, it was the yellow heart breadfruit. The first video with that small camera, so you know, coming outside there. Hot feet, wagwan, where you have here?
I know everything there.
Yeah, I'm from then till now, you know, it's still on this day, isn't it?
I know it now.
Doing the great work, see me. I will give thanks to Alfie to give him back some. You know, some waters towards the less fortunate down in Westmoreland, you know, because that's where we're going to head back as well to give some help. You know, as you can see, the cars down there is really in need, you know. So, we give thanks, we appreciate no matter how small it is, you know, the water will go a long way because that is really essential down there, you know, because they have the water problem down there. And also, we're going to get some lights as well, some solar lights because those things is definitely needed. You know, the people them say they're going to be out without light till about March, some probably longer than that, you know. So just imagine, you know, living without light for that long. Well, you know, we're going back into Stone Age days, you know, so for now.
Enough people have to catch rainwater.
Yeah.
See, so we give thanks to the rainwater. Generally make it too much rain and they say no more flood.
Yeah, no
You see
more
me?
flood. No.
And us, the people don't have to understand all things, man.
Yes, I.
That's how the earth run, you know?
Yes, I.
And the whole of this was water, you know? I dump up, you know?
See view, right?
So you have to know it, go.
Yeah, all
That's
of.
when them tell about the harbour, you know? The harbour is right amongst the sea. So you know, so from here, so go straight back out to harbour. Go straight back down to the west.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
pure water.
Beer water.
Yeah, pure
So,
water right now. So we have some blessings here, you know. So we have to just keep it mild blessings, you know, and keep it
Whole
float.
heap of water.
Yeah. So hard feet, you know where it goes now. Respect to
Yeah,
the brother as well, to tell Bert to say.
Yeah,
Much
man.
love as well, too, you know.
Yeah, man, can I mention it now? We just get them, you see me?
Yeah.
So you know it, go.
Alright, we give thanks.
Never cool up.
Never cool up. Feet always
Yeah,
hot, you
stand
know.
up one place and have one full
Full
up. You
up.
have to take it and turn fashion. Get a passion.
Yeah.
So tell you them say new year, new gear. You see me? Not for one gear stick stuck in a brother. And one place me soon stand up.
Yeah.
You need to find something on there, you see me? No disrespect. I love.
So remind
You see
them
me?
who's hot feet
Yeah,
again,
man.
because them probably hear the rhyme and hear you on time and hear your flow and
Yeah.
think I just that come for your mind.
No.
Tell them no.
The people them sad feet, yeah. Hey, away there in the street, yeah. Hey, I them there, yo, me have to make the run, yeah. Hey, at some say wicked heart and bad mind for run way.
Yeah.
Cause I feel good. Look how the party fun. Hey, girl, them shake it good. Them put man in the mood, yeah. So you can check it out, man. It's Jabber representing to you out there, to you
Yeah.
all out there.
Yeah.
You see more people?
Oh.
At feet, yeah. We are like the street, yeah.
Oh.
Keen life in Jamaica. So we
Yeah.
give thanks to Jamaica.
We here and we say Jamaica.
Yeah, we give, yeah, man, Jamaica. You know
I
it.
thought we say Jamaica.
Them protect you, and them protect you, man. You see me?
Alright then.
You people, them have to just know. Yeah, man.
Love and love alone.
Love and love and love.
Blessed love.
Yeah, man.
Alright, you mommy?
Yeah, man, yeah,
Big up,
man,
big
yeah,
up.
man.
Alright, hot feet.
No, no, man.
No. Hey. Yes, guys. So that is hot feet. You know, I'm say we grew up together here in Seaview Garden. You know, it's not just now. It's from a longer time we're growing up together. You know, so it's coming from far, far away, and we give thanks for him to donate some cases of water. You know, towards the cause of Westmoreland down there from him and his brother, you know, Telbert. You know, thank you as well to Telbert. Big up yourself, and we really appreciate that. You know, so it's nothing but love. So this is how we have to always do it, guys. You know, we just give we give her thanks no matter how small what he can give, you know, because he can see the need is there. So our plan as well, we also have an extended family who's also a YouTuber, a content creator as well too, which is she's gonna donate it some care packages as well too, you know. So I don't think she's gonna make it today because it's rain and it's also her birthday. So we have some care package to receive from her as well to help out the situation for down in Westmoreland. You know, her name is Shay. So you will get to see her, you know, whenever she come to drop them off on another day. You know, so that is the move and that is the road we say. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna head downtown to get some nuts, some almond nuts and seeds, you know, that I always use to make my smoothies. So that's where I'm gonna quickly head to. Because guys, I'm telling you, we plan to go and see Cranberry then, but it's pure rain as you can see today. It's a rainy day today. It's all rain, it's all blessings, some will say, you know, we appreciate it, so we're keeping it mild. But you know, in Jamaica, whenever it rain, things just become chaotic with all the traffic and the mad driving on the road and stuff. So hopefully we don't get to that part. You know, as you can see, it's raining like in Georgia. But yeah, it's all the blessings. So guys, so what's gonna be the plan as well to, you know, we're gonna get some on this trip, you know, to Westmoreland, you know, we're gonna get some materials, you know, for we're gonna get some materials for Rafi as well to, you know, that where my family will spend some time and I'm growing up whenever I go down there. And also we have the overcomers, you know, that gave us the barrel with the care packages and everything, you know, they got some more stuff. And their intention as well to try to give a family some blocks, you know, because, you know, so they can really start a foundation to build, because, you know, a lot of people lost a lot of stuff, you know. So we're on the move. You're gonna see everything that's taking place, you know. I'm not gonna say everything till everything starts to manifest the right way. So everything is in progress right now, you know. Everything is making its way. So let's just see what's happening right now. The road is kind of busy, so me have to keep my eye on the road. So, you know, the thing goes. It's pure water out here, man. So I'm trying to make these runs before the traffic start to come out. Because trust me, when the traffic is out, hey, that is it. We in for it. We in for it. So guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are, anywhere you're watching from. You know, I say the journey continues, it never stop. You know, so I'm living to serve for my purpose. You know, we're here to serve, not to rule. So I'm here as a servant, you know, of our people. That's the people that's really in need of it. You know, so that's just me doing my best part of my life. You know, there's no point of living for yourself. That life don't worth living if you're gonna say you're gonna live for yourself, you know. So you have to live for others. Also, you cannot live selfish. So that is the aim for me, to always be giving back to when time I leave this universe physically, you know, but you know, spiritually, I don't know where my next destination will be. Yeah, so I say it like a joke, but yeah, we give thanks. Everything is for real. Blessed love, guys. So stay tuned and watch what's gonna happen next. Happy New Year, Auntie.
26 and this country.
Hello. Baby, I want some nuts.
How much here? 20. Yeah? What's the right now? I'm telling the man last night, 6. Right now, I want to get
Cranberry. We have cranberry here selling. Here's all my nuts, them nuts. What is my name again? Which nuts name again?
Brazil.
Huh?
Brazil.
Brazil nuts.
Alright, come in, sir. You know, say, pin them plan up to.
Peanuts.
You know, never cut off the end. As God see, you are the truth. Pin them for the credit I don't do, the theater I don't do. Too hard, but if I that area that they pay.
Peanuts, almond nuts, cashew nuts.
You have powder flaxseed?
Powder.
Yeah. The fresh one.
Yeah. 5,000 pounds in that one.
5,000 pounds?
Yeah.
Pumpkin seed?
You want the fresh one too?
What you want to make fun of me today?
Small amount in a blender and powder it too.
I got nothing to do when I get that one there.
Yeah.
Your pumpkin seed?
$1,000.
Huh?
$1,000 pound.
Give me quarter for that pumpkin seed.
No, I'm not reach them to it. Tell me about the reach that start wrap. Yeah, wrap. The only £1.5 pound.
Give me half pound of the flaxseed.
Half pound of flaxseed. Oh, Sean, this is my nephew. He's the older one. I am the small one.
Me are the older one. Yeah.
Half pound, yeah. Small one about
By top. Oh. See it here. Some person.
That big one, me find a real guy. Now when you have the mama something, you go to check it.
Well guys, so hola. Alright guys, so I'm back in Trenchtown. So I say we here Shay just pull up as well too. The YouTuber was telling about that's gonna bring some care package come to help out with the giving back against now done, you know, so she's finally just arrived, and we, as you can see, we picked up some water as well too yesterday. That's gonna go towards it from Hot Feet and Telbert as well too. You know, so she's here, yeah. So she's here, so show you what I go on. So you know, here we got the water inside here and everything ready to bling and thing. Over there with 30 grand is the only one here today.
Man, you see? Yeah, man, everybody else there work today, so today I go and help out the genius said here, man. You see me, I say, I want team, man, dream team, man. You see?
Yeah.
I have to make the team work, man. You hear that?
Alright, so 130 grand alone is available today. Esther just pull up as well from work and everything. So here we have Shay.
What's up, guys?
We have no
What's
other
up,
than
guys?
Shay. So introduce yourself.
Yes, so I'm Shay from Shay's World TV, guys. Yes, I am about traveling, doing different stuff. Yeah, so you guys could check me out on YouTube, Shay's World TV. Remember to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell. Yeah, big up Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yeah, so guys, you know that Shay's World, I'm going to say she is giving some support towards the cause that will take place with Hurricane Melissa that leave a devastation right now, you know. So she's got some care package that she's going to give to us for support. It's too bad she's not going to be here, you know, because she have to fly out. Because here she said she travel, so she's going to travel again. You know, so hopefully in the future she will hear again and we can do some work more together. You know, so Shay brought some care packages, you know, that's already started out to leave us to not do much work. So we thank you for that, Shay.
At all. Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
No work.
So
Shay, make it easy for you.
Alright then, so the only thing I'm going to be doing is driving down there and deliver them.
Yeah.
So here's what Shay got today. So let me show you what I go on.
Yeah, man.
So Shay carry load. Here, so here Shay got some care package here.
Yeah.
You know, in the bags them already sorted out.
Yeah, we have, you know, rice, flour stuff, you know, tin stuff, you know, tissues and stuff. You know, this is our second trip. And our second packing out, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, we went to St. Elizabeth already.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, as they say, I have to leave.
Yeah.
So we'll leave you with for the honors.
Alright, no problem,
Yeah,
because you know that's my duty anyway. So we have the care package them here and we have some stuff in this bag.
All of them are care package, man.
Okay.
Yeah, we just pack these in different bags because we're out of these.
Okay,
So,
okay.
These are from the store. I store bag them.
Oh, you store bag
Yeah,
them?
so yeah.
It's a bit thinner, thinner.
It's thin, but it's not that bad.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's not gonna burst then.
It's not burst, man.
Okay, and
It's
this got the
good.
same what's in these siders?
The same thing with
food and everything.
yeah, man.
But I say appliance.
Oh yes, these.
appliance.
Yeah, these are some mega big you like for the people them who have light already.
Yeah.
You could distribute these to them. These are chargers. It could charge the iPhone, the Android, your Apple Watch, everything depend on one thing.
In these bags.
Yeah,
So let me see.
you can take it home.
Because we were definitely going in these ones.
Them not have no light
There's no
at
light
all.
yet. So
So if you want, I can donate some of the
Solar.
solar because I have those. Remember I picked those up today.
okay, yeah, that will be great as well
Yeah.
with the solar, you know.
Yeah. So I have these still in a sense I keep because some people have light. Yeah. So who have they could get it.
And some have generators still with them
Yeah,
can
so
get
they can
electric.
still use it
Use
instead
it,
of
see
going
me.
by the neighbor and get charged.
Yeah, the solar light will be great, you know, if we could get some of that literally, you know.
Well, I can definitely give some out of the shipment.
You have the time to do it?
Keen, I'm for unpack right now.
So, okay.
Yeah, we can unpack it today, you know, so if you want, we can drop it off tomorrow.
Alright, then we can do that then.
Yeah, we can drop off some of them tomorrow, because I definitely going to buy more.
Yeah.
Coming back next month again.
Next month.
Yes.
So you already started and book and ready to come
Yeah,
back.
man. So we're going to ship more stuff, so we can do some more things.
Alright then, that
Yeah.
good, that good. So if each one of these bags have the same thing inside it, the same
Most, yes.
most of them.
Yeah, most of them.
So it's just a lucky one then. We're not going to
Yeah,
really look inside, we're just
right.
going to give it to them.
You
See
can,
them,
you can open it and look in it, as I say, like the ones who have light.
Yeah.
You can definitely give them the bags. We have the charger.
You know them not have a light yet still, so.
So you know which community you're going down here?
Yeah, the same one that I went. Yeah, I'm going back there.
Okay.
Because I'm going to get some material for 2 persons as well too.
Okay.
Going to go back as well. So.
I definitely wanted to get some zinc for some people in Coca, St. Elizabeth, where I went.
Okay.
Yeah, I promised them, so
Yeah.
that's why I'm coming back.
Yeah.
Yeah, coming and like promise people,
Exactly.
and I can. You
Yeah,
know,
so when I come
live
back,
up to
we can definitely match that work there.
Yeah,
when I come back
definitely.
for sure.
Definitely.
Definitely,
And you
sure.
can let me know anybody else in Westmoreland who need additional help as well.
Of course.
We kick in
Listen,
there
there is
as
so
well.
much need help.
Yeah, let me
God,
get to my
trust me.
bag them too.
Yeah.
Help.
Listen, there's so much need help, Shay.
Me I tell you.
You know, like the
I break my heart to see so much of them I go through this, man.
There's so much need help right now down there.
Okay.
Trust me, guys, there is so much in need of help down there in Westmoreland. You know, the help. Hey, listen, these words can't explain the situation when I go and see there and see like people lost everything, literally everything. So this is the storeroom. You see, so store another barrel there. So they say we storeroom here. To pack from down there, so come right here. So
see that?
pack.
Alright. Alright.
This place is hot.
What?
Jamaica is hot.
May I burn up?
Jamaica is hot. So she really appreciate this care package, you know.
No problem.
Definitely go a long way.
No problem.
Don't tell me say you're struggling.
No.
Hey, look strong, you know.
Nah, struggle, man.
Okay.
Jenny is a struggle.
This is struggling.
So yes, guys, we are here. We are back, and yes.
Water now we get from Hot Feet and Telbert, you know, donate some water to us as well too. So these are the water here. So what I go rest them in the shop here. You know, this is the shop where we stay and we cook from for the people. As you can see the logo. No.
So yes, guys, here's another shop.
Yeah. Can you want to come to and you see that you know Akeynote.
Yeah man, Akeynote life in Jamaica, guys. In a big trench town.
You know, doing the right thing, you know, because we all have a purpose to serve. So we have to just figure out what's our purpose and we just do the right thing.
Listen, I just wish everybody could have just come together as one and just help each other. That's it.
That's a great wish to have.
And you miss my health seminar and you can't miss the next one because we know you're on the health side.
Yes. Yeah.
You tell him about it, Jenny. It was great. It was great.
So is your family?
Who, Jenny?
Yeah.
No, man, Jenny, I'm a little parent.
Oh, you're looking for R&B?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, I miss the health thing,
but good man.
But make sure so now eat healthy, you know, you have seminar next year.
Trying.
Oh, you're trying?
I'm trying. I try my hardest. And this is one of the reasons why I move from back home too.
Yeah.
And I can't get the food on my own.
Poochie, come here. Come say hello in the video. Come.
Yeah.
Now you're nice, clean skin.
This. And then come back. Hello. Hi,
How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good, darling.
I'm still a better Shay, man. You see me, I say, it's a great leader where you do right now.
Yeah,
all of them people down in the country.
Yeah.
First time me go down there and go see the situation, it's never normal.
Yeah,
Never
but
normal.
listen, just seeing it on the TV,
man.
I cry,
Big
so
up
I can
again,
just
man.
imagine.
Every time.
Lessons,
Yeah, them say you have to see it with the physical eyes itself,
man.
you know. Them say the video camera don't give much justice, but when you see the reality and hear the story,
yeah. Then
and
if
what
me
people
cry from watching the TV, what would I have done if me didn't?
exactly.
You know what I mean?
And then Westmoreland was a place where whenever it's summertime, holiday time, we'll go down there and spend a little time.
So your family in Westmoreland too? Mm-hmm.
You know, that's where my grandma was born in Westmoreland, you know.
Where in Westmoreland?
Eastern Springside.
Oh, I just talked to a young lady from Smithsville, you know this one?
No.
Yeah,
I'm going to go from Eastern Spring to Brighton side, you know, that's where my family as well, to down there by my grandma's side, you know.
Yeah.
So when I went back to know how I left it before, and when I went back and I see how it was, I'm like, wow, you know.
So fair, like a place mash up.
No, listen, remember say my grandma live at Seaview, you know.
Oh, okay,
But that's where she born, but you know, she have family down here, see me. But when time I used to visit as a younger child, so the memories now used to stay, when I went back, everything is just gone.
That's right.
You know, people lose so much and people is down there without light, without a home as well too. I sleep on the tarpaulin, you know, and then equip things.
My first stop in St. Elizabeth, man, there's a guy come out. All him asked for was just light.
Light.
Yeah.
The solar
and I had
light.
some solar radios.
Yeah.
With light and the charging port as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so I gave him one.
Yeah. So you see that is very essential, the solar them right now, because some of them say them without light for actually till about maybe them say March, some after, you know, okay, it depends.
When you get light?
Yeah. And it all depends the area where you are because most of them is cut off, you know, from the other society side of the world. You know, so it's kind of tough. Exactly. Yeah. And the way that stay.
It will take a while to also get back.
Yeah.
Guys, it really terrible in Westmoreland. So for all you guys who still want to donate, you could donate to Akeynote Life in Jamaica. You guys could reach out to him on his platform, Akeynote Life in Jamaica on YouTube. Please go over there, subscribe to him as well. And you know what? Keep it locked. We'll stay tuned with the video.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely for sure. So we say, more please try to see if we can organize some of the show that like them.
No, I'm not gonna do that, man.
Yeah. Because
I have about 40 of them in the box. So
okay,
half.
That's good. That's
I'm gonna
good.
give you half of it.
Because
so,
them rushed me for that the last time we done.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you half of it and I'm gonna go home and
get some more.
Yeah, I get some more. Hopefully, if my ship off, we will get it by the time I reach back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Because you know them still backlogged same way. Still. Cause up to now.
Them called me yesterday for it. No, stop.
So you see them probably scared, you know. Yes, man.
Them have to be careful.
Welcome to JAMAICA, you know, Trenchtown itself. Your first time in Trenchtown?
Sure, first time.
First time.
You live all your life and never come true.
Anyway, there's a lot of people live in Jamaica and I've been to certain places. You know, trust
I've
me.
never been to Tivoli, I don't know if I'm going to reach there.
See, and Tivoli is just right there.
Yeah, I don't really have a reason to go to Tivoli, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's just right there. Yeah. Yeah, one stone throw. Just like how you pass Trenchtown every day. And the first time Shay come here.
You know much time I watch a video and I'm like, which one Trenchtown? Where Trenchtown? Oh, you get to Trenchtown.
Today you finally know.
Yeah.
You know a Trenchtown.
Listen, I don't even know where the Riemann either.
Exactly.
Keep on and say, where's Trenchtown? Where's Trenchtown?
Yeah.
You know, when you tell me about it, you know, I go, mother, I say, Mama, which part Trenchtown? Come on and call Kina, you know.
Yeah.
You look like me. Yeah. I say, which part is there? But she tell me, she say, oh, from Spanish Town, you know, she part of the prison. I say, yeah.
Right across.
Pass it there every day.
Every day. One left, come up West Road, you know, you have Cali Smith Drive, the next drive.
Cali Smith Drive.
She nearly met my last. No, same say West Road, you were telling me about
No, Cali Smith Drive.
Cali Smith Drive right up there, so you could have caught there as well, too.
What you said, me follow instructions.
Yeah, you tell her West, but me tell her she can go from Cali Smith.
Yeah.
Now when we go out there, so we can come down.
No, because you them are the road right now, you know, so the road are fixed. So the best is to go back that way.
Definitely know your face too. Good evening.
Oh, you know, film face too.
Yes.
That's boom.
How are you? Nice meeting you.
So,
Yeah. Shay. Yeah.
the boom just coming off the work, as you can see. Oh, so you have Rasta Jackson just come off of the work, so you see them take them time and roll, you know. Because Shay just bring some care package come for Westmoreland. Yeah. Yeah. So she's finally here.
Sorry, me I missed the trip. That hurt my heart.
No, but you say you're coming back, you know?
No, but you know, me they really want to stuff them so I can deliver them.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. And this is Rasta Jackson.
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
The waistline Jackson, you know? The man there hold you with the waistline. Cripple!
Oh my God.
Yeah, man. Yes, man. So Shay just bring some care package come, you know, for Westmoreland trip Sunday. You know, I will get some water from one of our friends as well to add feet, you know, and brother Tailbird, you know, to bring on the journey. You know, so
By the way, did you check out the video?
Which one?
What am I saying here?
But you sing?
Yes.
A big singer too, you know, Jackson. Me hear it, man. I got to tell you. Yeah. So,
Because me I wait for you.
I wait to see you.
Oh, yeah, wait to see me. Oh, so
Talent in a trench town in Jackson.
how was it?
And they tell us say I was surprised.
Really?
Yeah, I was surprised. Obviously, I never know that side of you, so I wouldn't even know.
Listen, I shocked the entire community when I did that. Sorry,
Yeah.
baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, I shocked everybody.
So I never know. Cause me here, I was surprised. I'm like, what Shay this?
Yeah.
You know, Shay go out with things,
I
man.
seen it some more, man.
Yeah. So yeah, and Jackson forgot to do a collaboration, you know, Jackson.
I'm right, you know, I'm right, my own stuff.
Alright, so see then Jackson and Shay have to go do a collaboration, you know.
Ready, Jackson?
Ah,
Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, I'm ready.
Jackson always ready. Jackson always ready, you know, trust me. We can't make a remix
So
modern
but
slavery.
You the music too,
Of
so what
course.
do you?
I'm not exclude myself.
Oh.
I'm including myself.
Okay, definitely.
Because you know hear me say it, you know, because I only up on the camera, so make one of the spotlight.
Okay, alright.
You know? So I'm including myself. So we're gonna remix modern slavery, right? As that's the
So give a
time.
piece of that one then now?
Modern slavery?
Yeah, give a piece of that one then.
Yeah.
Hold on.
She turn because she's a YouTuber as well, you know.
Hold on. No, man, if I get my next phone, this phone always I give me a problem.
Lie.
Yeah. Jenny's get my next phone and take care for me.
If I get one of them Asmo.
Remember, so me have a GoPro now. But it's full up with videos right now.
Yeah?
Yeah, and me can't get time to edit like you know.
Oh,
I'm busy like a bee.
boy, I'm so busy, but I make
You
time.
need to come and video the store. That's a number one. You need to video the event space.
Yeah.
That's where I have the L seminar.
Okay.
Yeah, so you need to come and video that.
On your next trip.
Yeah.
On your next trip for sure. That true, she'll go fly up, but she'll come back soon. When February time, right?
Yeah, February, yeah, man.
Yeah.
The middle of February, I'll be back.
So she'll be back, Jackson, you know, on the next trip.
Alright.
So Jackson, I'll give you a piece of the
Yeah,
modern
Jackson.
slavery.
Brother and sisters, open your eyes. Brother and sisters,
Open your eyes.
Open your eyes and see what I'm seeing now. Open your eyes and see what I'm seeing now. The dreadlocks loving culture. Him love up the golden rules. Victimization, discrimination, modern slavery. Down in a Babylon, 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 we go to the shop to buy some goods. The price for the goods, yes, the money couldn't stretch at all. Modern slavery. Down in a Babylon, modern slavery. Down in a Babylon, we go to the store to buy some clothes. The price for the clothes, yes, the money couldn't spend at all. Modern.
Hold up, Jackson. Don't give them everything as yet. Yeah, that's
The
Jackson.
one bad. You right now?
Yeah, yes,
Ready when you're ready.
And you see we always have tourists in the community as well, you know, them here regular. Sometimes you see them a walk by themselves or them a walk with someone where I give them a little bit of history of Trenchtown, you know.
Yeah.
So at least
There's a
them
lot
have
to learn here.
trust me, here is basic school, primary school,
right through the year,
yeah, high school, college, university, everything in one. So you learn everything here in the community. So we always have them passing through. Yes. It's too bad we never get it's too bad you're not gonna get to see Cranberry then.
Yes, I really wanted to make that trip.
Yeah. It's too bad you never gonna get to see them. But what me gonna do? You know, for that me gonna give them two of the care package them.
Yeah, no problem.
You know, I go out and give them two of them. You know, so it's from Shay's world.
And when I come back tomorrow with the solar lights, me give you something special for them.
Tomorrow. So what are you going to pass through them time then?
Oh, tomorrow?
Yeah.
You tell me, I may work off for your time. You tell me when you want me to pass.
Yeah, if you want to come, about 12 o'clock time we can link up because we then have to go do something after.
No problem.
can just pass through then.
I go start out.
Alright, if you want, we'll do it on your side, so.
I go bag them up and ready for you, so if you want to pass through and collect them, you can do that.
Alright, so we do that on our side first
man.
before we come down again.
Alright, cool. No problem.
So same time we can say hello and show them your place same time.
Yes, I appreciate that, yes.
Right, so tomorrow
A
then.
little store in the community, you know?
So thank you so much, Shay.
Yes,
you know, say please go and check out Shay's World TV. You know, welcome to her world. You know, you're gonna lot to learn and a lot to see. You know, check out Shay World's TV. You know, please go and subscribe. You know, as I say, she's doing also a good deed. You know, so we support people that are doing good in this world. Understand? So that is how we're doing it. You share the same love that she's sharing to others, same way, right? So go over, check out Shay World TV. You see me? That's it. Rasta Jackson and going to that world. Eh?
Yeah, you're done. Yes. Yes. You're done right. You're done right. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, Jackson, yes.
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 Yeah, if he said to cry loud, cry for her. Yeah, cry for her. Cry for her, you cry for Shay now. She's right here, you know. Tell her how much you're gonna she's oh God, my Shay, you make him crying for you, you know. Oh, the Rasta Jackson, you know. Yeah, well, guys, you know everything goes. So Shay make Jackson cry, so you know everything goes.
You know, we have a boogie.
Alright
We
then.
have some things to go take care of.
Yes, man, big up.
Yes, so we will link tomorrow.
Yeah. Come on, take care.
Yeah.
I have to make the truck pass.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Yeah, man, nice meeting you too. Yeah.
Big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Everything we have, man.
Well, go on, Shay, I'm going to make the truck pass, yeah? Yeah. Where they go, all the way to the road? Okay.
You know, drink something now?
When I come back down.
Why?
You know who that? No, cause the work will go on. Yeah. Cause the road up there bad, you know. Cause them dig up the road. But up on the next side good. Cause them fix one side. So the next side now I fix which is on this side. But the best thing you can do is reverse go down. That's why you see that truck here now, a reverse go up so that I come back down.
Alright, so we see you tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah.
Take care.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.